Hello friends, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to beat the letter K. I do believe that this letter is a letter that we use a lot in a lot of words, and kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video, comment, and don't forget to share, and let's hop right into making this. So the materials required are the 0.30 millimeters fishing line. You're also going to require beads and nail cutter for cutting your fishing line. And the beads that I'm going to be using today is dark blue and yellow. So you can use, of course, any colors that you want, the color combination that you prefer. But I'm going to use this black and yellow, so the dark blue and yellow, so that you can be able to see this clearly. So we begin with the right angle weave pattern. We just start with the 4 beads where we've crisscrossed on the 4th one, and we should have something like this. Kindly follow step by step what you see on the screen, and you are going to be able to have your bold letter K by the end of this tutorial. So we have already started, and I'm really grateful for all the comments, all the requests that you guys have been making. I really appreciate you guys. For all of you who have tried also beading using these tutorials that I've been making for you guys. You have given me your feedback. Most of you have been able to even monetize the products that you've done from the tutorials. So a big congratulations to you guys. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what other people have been able to do. Okay, so um, basically what we're going to be doing today is just the right angle weave, and the length, or rather, sorry, the height of this column is going to be 5 heads, and so that's sort of like the standard for these letters. As you can see here, I've made a corner already. So the yellow bit is what is going to have the letter, and the blue beads is going to form the background or the margin. Okay, so we proceed like that. If you're not conversant with the right angle weave, kindly check our playlist. We do have several tutorials on beginners on how to do the right angle weave pattern. Okay, you can start with how to do the right angle weave pattern with plain colors, and then as you continue, once you learn that and master it, you can now proceed on to this, where you can try out letters. And also on the letters bit, I have done quite a number of letters. Done doing the vowels, and continuing, hopefully by the end of this year, I'm going to be done doing all the letters. So I hope you guys stay tuned. You can also give me a suggestion on the next letter that you would like us to do. Okay, so as you can see, this is something that you take step by step. Okay, and that yellow bead that I've put there is so the tip where we're going to join with the other bit of the letter K. So this is just you pick one bead on the right, one bead on the left, and then you crisscross. On this point, we're crisscrossing on the bead from the left. Okay, then you pass the fishing line through the next bead there, like that, and then next you're going to pick a blue bead from the right, blue bead from the left, and then you crisscross from the blue bead from the left, like that, and then you pull. You should have something that looks like this. Okay, also kindly make sure that whatever you're doing on your end matches what you see on the screen. Okay, so you should have something like this on this step. I think that's not correct. That's not correct. So I'm going to undo that. I'm going to add only blue beads here. So as you can see, this is something that mistakes are things that we do constantly. It's not like we're perfect, and you just need to have a keen eye um, to know, to spot the mistakes before you proceed. So that is the correct way. It's supposed to look like that. And then we pick yellow beads, 2 yellow beads. We crisscross on the yellow bead from the left, and then we proceed. You pass the fishing line through the next bead there, and then you proceed by picking 1 yellow bead on the right, 1 yellow bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the yellow bead from the left, like that. You should have something that looks like this. Okay, then you pass the fishing line through the next blue bead there, like that, and then you pick yellow bead on the right, a black bead on a blue bead on the left, and then you crisscross like that. Okay, so then you pass the fishing line through the next blue bead there. Okay, so you proceed just like that. Okay, kindly, for those of you who haven't subscribed, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime we have something new, you'd be first to be notified. Okay, and I'd also like to emphasize that if this is something that you're doing as a hobby or part-time or full-time, kindly take these skills seriously, because they're something that can help you earn some extra money and give you some extra dollar to your pocket. So kindly take them seriously. If you'd also love to get more serious classes, kindly reach out to me. My contact details are down on the description below. Okay, so as you can see, our letter K is somewhat forming. You can see it if you have a keen eye. It's already forming. So this is something that you can use when you're making name bracelets with names. Okay, and I really hope to get your feedback on the comment section down below. Let me know if you are able to follow along, if these letters do help you. And I really hope to see your feedback. Also, kindly check on our variety of tutorials that we have on our playlist, where you can be able to learn a few new things on different tutorials and patterns. So also we do have the community tab, where we post frequent updates on what we are working on. So kindly don't forget to pass by there. And as you can see here, we're making quite some good progress on the letter K. We are almost done. Actually, we're just going to go up this column, and then we're going to be done. So also, from this time that we've taken to just make this one letter, I'm quite sure now you can be able to easily price your product, because as you can see, this one letter takes roughly 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the length of the name that you'll be making. So this just goes to show you how much time you're going to spend while making a bracelet. So if the word, for example, has got around 6 letters, it's going to be around 6 times 10 minutes. That's around 1 hour. So that's just for the word, remember. So there is going to be the other bit, which is going to be sort of like, maybe if it's a flag combined with the word. So like, for example, the USA flag, and then it has a customized name like Brian. So you're going to spend roughly 2 hours or more. So you need to really factor in the time and the skills that you have put towards making that bracelet. So as you can see, our letter K is done. It really looks magnificent, looks brilliant. Remember, you can do this in assortment of different color combinations, and kindly feel free to reach out to me. My contacts are down on the description below. Let me know what other letter that you'd love to see on our next tutorial. So I hope to see you guys on our next video. Thanks so much. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like and share these videos.